Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. Sweet Pongal is a delicious South Indian dish made with rice and moong dal. Sweet Pongal is also known as Chakkara Pongali in Telugu and Chakkara Pongal in Tamil. This is one of the Naivedyam dishes we offer to the gods or goddess Durga Devi and Lakshmi during the puja. The main ingredients for preparing Chakkara Pongal are 1 cup rice, half cup moong dal, 1 cup jaggery, half cup sugar, 1 cup dry coconut pieces, raisins, cardamom, cashew nuts and ghee. Take a frying pan and add half cup of moong dal. Dry roast them on a medium flame till you get an aroma and the dal turns slightly golden. Keep stirring for even roasting. The moong dal turns into light golden color. Then switch off the flame. Take a pressure cooker and add roasted moong dal in it. And add 1 cup of rice to it. Pour water and rinse them well. For 1 cup of rice, we need to add 2 cups of water and half cup of moong dal needs 1 cup of water. Total we need 3 cups of water. Now here I am adding 3 cups of water. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles. Now open the lid and check the rice was done or not. Yes, it's done. It's enough. Take a pan and add ghee to it. Once ghee get heated, now add dry coconut pieces and roast it on a medium flame. Stir it occasionally and we need to get red golden color. Now transfer this into a plate. Here I am telling you a small tip which I follow every time. Divide the dry roasted coconut pieces into 2 equal parts. Here I am taking half part of dry roasted coconut pieces into a blender. Make them into a coarse powder. Here this powder I will use in Chakkara Pongali. To give better taste, this was tried by me before. It tastes delicious. In the same ghee pan, add cashew nuts. Fry these cashew nuts on a medium flame until it gets golden color. In the same ghee pan, add raisins and fry it on a low flame. Remove the ghee from the pan and add jaggery to it. And add half cup of sugar. Add required amount of water for preparing the syrup. Now cook until the jaggery and sugar dissolves in the water. Once it gets dissolved, now strain it and transfer it into a pan. Now add cardamom powder to the syrup and stir it once. Stir it occasionally. Cook until it gets one-sting consistency as shown in the video. Once it gets one-sting consistency, now add boiled rice and moong dal. Now combine everything. Now add dry roasted coconut powder to the Chakkara Pongali. It helps to enhance the flavors. Now add dry roasted coconut pieces into the Chakkara Pongali and combine everything. Cook on a medium flame till the jaggery syrup blends with the rice and it should begin to bubble up well. Cover with lid and cook for 2 minutes. Yes, now Chakkara Pongal was ready. and switch off the flame. And you can transfer this Chakkara Pongal into a serving plate. Now I am transferring this Chakkara Pongal into a serving bowl. Add ghee on the top of the Chakkara Pongali. It helps to enhance the flavors. Try this Chakkara Pongali and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section.